Do you struggle with budgeting your income? Ever feel like your financial life is spinning out of control? Well, there's no need to worry. Today, we'll explore some effective ways to manage your money, starting with the popular 50-30-20 rule and other practical methods. The 50-30-20 rule, coined by U.S. Senator Elizabeth Warren in her book, All Your Worth: The Ultimate Lifetime Money Plan, provides a simple framework for managing your money. Here's how it works. Firstly, divide your after-tax income into 3 categories: needs, wants, and savings. 50% of your income should go towards needs. These are the things you can't live without, such as rent or mortgage payments, groceries, utilities, health insurance, and car payments. Next, 30% of your income should be allocated to wants. This category includes things that enhance your lifestyle but aren't necessary for survival, such as dining out, vacations, and entertainment. Lastly, the remaining 20% should be saved or used to pay off debt. This is your financial safety net, helping you prepare for unexpected expenses or future financial goals. While the 50-30-20 rule provides a solid foundation, it's not the only budgeting method out there. The zero-based budget, for example, requires you to assign every dollar a job, ensuring that your income minus your expenses equals zero. This method encourages you to be intentional about how you spend and save every dollar. Another method is the envelope system, a cash-based budgeting approach where you divide your income into different envelopes for different spending categories. Once an envelope is empty, you've spent your budget for that category. Lastly, there's the values-based budget. This method encourages you to prioritize your spending based on what you value most, helping you to align your financial decisions with your personal goals and values. To summarize, the 50-30-20 rule provides a simple yet effective framework for managing your money, allocating 50% to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. However, other budgeting methods like the zero-based budget, the envelope system, and the values-based budget can also be effective, depending on your financial situation and personal preferences. Remember, the key to successful budgeting is consistency and discipline. Choose a budgeting method that works for you, stick to it, and watch your financial life transform for the better. Because after all, managing money should not be a source of stress, but a tool to achieve financial freedom and peace of mind. So take control of your finances today and pave the way for a more secure and prosperous future.